Hey guys, Deronda here, popping in on your midweek to show you how to make this cranberry orange relish. Excellent for your Thanksgiving Day feast or any day of the year. The ingredients you're going to need is a 12-ounce package of fresh cranberries, and if you'd like, you may use frozen. 3/4 of a cup of granulated sugar. You may use more or less depending on the sweetness of your cranberry orange relish. 1 medium-sized orange and 3 tablespoons of orange juice, or you may substitute with an orange liqueur such as Grand Marnier or triple sec. If you're using fresh cranberries, we're going to rinse them here in water. Now I've got a bowl here, I'm going to add mine in, or you can just rinse them under fresh, cool running tap water. Swish them around just for a few seconds with a sieve. I like using it. We're going to drain the excess water off our cranberries and let them dry here on a cookie sheet that I've lined with paper towels. I love using a sieve to do this. Makes it fast, simple, and easy. You can see in the bottom of the bowl what comes off your cranberries. Discard your water. You may want to look through your cranberries to make sure you don't have any bad cranberries. You see how soft that is? That's a bad cranberry, so we're going to discard that. But other than that, the rest of these look super fresh. You see when you push on them, they're going to be nice and firm. That's what you're looking for. For the orange, remove the ends. Ooh, that orange smells good. We're going to cut these down into segments. If you have any seeds in your orange, be sure to remove them. This orange looks pretty much seed free. Now that we've got them cut down in chunks in a food processor, you're going to add your hunks of oranges with all your cranberries, your orange juice, or your Grand Marnier or orange liqueur, if that's what you decide to use, and your sugar. I'm using about 3/4 of a cup here. Add your lid. Let's go. We'll give it a few little pulses. All right, that looks about perfect. You can smell the oranges, the cranberries. Give your cranberry relish a little taste. Wow, perfectly sweetened. That orange is super sweet, and I was really surprised to get an orange with no seeds. Add to your favorite serving dish, cover, and chill overnight and make your Thanksgiving Day feast with a lot less stress. Off to the refrigerator. I've had this sit in the refrigerator overnight. I just want to see what it tastes like. Wow, so fresh. The cranberry, the oranges. This is going to be perfect with your Thanksgiving Day feast. Or make it any day of the year. This is excellent on French toast, over ice cream, on bagels with cream cheese. It's endless what you could do with it. Thanks a million for watching, you all. Stay safe. Happy Thanksgiving, and I'll catch you lovely people later.